Hi, in this video we're going to multiply algebraic terms together. Now in algebra, when we have things next to each other, that means that we're multiplying it together, because in algebra we try to avoid the multiplication symbol where we can. So if, for example, I wrote 5x, what that means is 5 lots of x or 5 times x. 5 times x just means 5 lots of x. So we wouldn't write this in algebra. If we had that, we would simplify it to this, because we prefer not to have the time symbols in our expressions. So also note, by the way, that we would write 5x rather than x5, because it makes more sense to say 5 lots of x than it does to say x lots of 5. So we always have the number first, the constant first, before any variables. So in this first one, we got 3 times x. Well, we saw that we can just write them together like this as 3x, like that, with the number first. What about the second one? Well, we got x times 5. When we times them together, we've got the 5 and the x, but we write 5x, not x5, because we put the number first. What about the next one? Well, this one is a bit harder because we've got a number in front of the y. So we've got 2y, 2 lots of y, and we're timesing it by 3. Well, if we had 2 lots of y and we times by 3, we would have 6 lots of y, wouldn't we? So we're going to have 6y. But the kind of way you can think about it is that whatever constants you have, whatever numbers you have, you multiply those together. So you've got 2 times 3 is the 6. And then you've got any variables you have, any letters. So you've got the y there. What about the last one? Well, if we multiply the numbers together first, so the constants together, the 6 and the 3, that gives you 18. And then what variables do we have? Well, we've just got this p, so it's going to be 18p to mean 18 lots of p.